So we are at a restaurant today. So my sister's exams got over, and as I promised her, I took her to a restaurant. So this is a new restaurant here around my city, and we have ordered food. This is crispy chicky, panko fried chicken, and I just did a shoot here. I did a shoot for my Instagram, and she helped me, and she is busy taking photos. And now we are going to eat this, and we have also ordered what? Chicken club sandwich. Yeah, we have ordered club sandwich, so that's not have come yet. So I'm going to just dig into this and talk to you later. Very nice joke. So don't be scared. I have applied a sheet mask on my face. I'm recording a video on this. A sneak peek, okay? This. So do check out this video. Also, I've done a blog post on this about 2 different sheet masks from Nykaa, and I'm using another 2 of them for my YouTube channel. So don't forget to see the review, and yeah. So I'm currently filming, and that's my setup. I have opted for a different setup this time. This is our ground floor, so this is the niche wala room. So this is actually my work desk. I don't work here. So I need to work here from summers. I'm planning to work from here from summers because this is like this room is a little cold, so I really like this for summers. So
और मेरा शीट मास्क प्रॉपर्ली नहीं लगाया गाइस, मुझे ओसीडी है गाइस, मुझे अजीब सी खुजली हो रही है अंदर से क्योंकि मेरी शीट मास्क प्रॉपर्ली नहीं लगी है.
Let me film this video and talk to you later. Bye. मैं चाय बना के लेके आई हूँ और पीने वाली हूँ. अभी देखते हैं कैसी बनी है.
नाइस. और दरवाजे पे कोई है.
आपके लिए एक एक्साइटिंग न्यूज़ है. सो देयर इज सम एक्साइटिंग न्यूज़ फॉर यू. वी वोंट रिवील इट येट. কিছু বলতে চাস এক্সাইটিং নিউজটার ব্যাপারে? আমি কিছু জানি. शी नोज, एंड आपको बहुत ही जल्दी पता चलने वाला है क्या है वो एक्साइटिंग न्यूज़. ओके, सो लेट मी हैव माई टी एंड आई हैव सम ब्लॉग रिलेटेड वर्क for now, and let's see. That's my plan for today, and tomorrow is some puja at my home. So मम्मी ने एक सत्यनारायण की पूजा रखी है और जोरों ने कुछ चुरा लिया है. ओके, सो मुझे यहाँ पे बॉल स्पॉट हो गए गाइस, देखो. ओके, सो बाय फॉर नाउ, एंड आई विल होपफुली सी यू टुमारो.
The next day.
Hi guys, happy Holi. Yeah, so we had a puja this morning, and there's some. Oh, here my first colors. So now we are heading down to like play with some colors. There are some doggies around my house, and we need to color them today. And we are using herbal colors, by the way. So we are not putting chemicals on them. Let's go. in my kitchen. So today is Holi and I thought of cooking something special for today. So I'm cooking this Kanthal ki Kofte. So now I'm going to fry them up and make the gravy, like the kofta, the curry of the kofta. So yeah, and I have added one kishmish per kofta, and I have stuffed them with one kishmish. And I don't know how it tastes. I have done this first time. So yeah, let's fry them up.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'll surrender it. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So guys, so this vlog has been 3 days long and I need to wrap this up right now because I have a severe migraine and my mom just oiled my hair because I told her so. because I thought it would give some kind of a relief to me. So I have oiled my face. I have oiled my hair with an olive oil, and I will review that olive oil very soon for you. I will see you in my next video. Till then, you guys, be happy and keep smiling.